In this video, I'll show you how to schedule a text message to send at a specific time and date. So in order to do this, head over to the texting app on your iPhone and select the conversation that we want to schedule this text for. Now, it's important to note that the feature only works on iMessage, so it won't work on regular text messages. You need to ensure that this is an iMessage. And once you've selected the contact where we're going to be sending this message to, simply write in your text message. So I'm just going to type in, hello, good morning. Once you've typed in the message, click on the plus icon in the left-hand side, click on send later. And now, as you can see from here, we can select both a date and time of when we want this message to be sent. So once you've selected both the time and date that you're happy with, all you need to do is press on the send button here. And as you can see, that's now scheduled to be sent on Wednesday at 9 o'clock. If you did want to change this, you can just go into the edit button here and we can either delete the message or edit the time that we've already set. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.